Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can log elements or text on a Canva design. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a design on my Canva application, and for example, I'm going to log this element. So first of all guys, we can click on the element we're going to log like this. Then you have to go down until you find the three dots or the more option. Just click on this more option and you have to scroll all the way to the right until you find the log option. Okay, and now the item or the element has been logged, and I'm going to click on it. As you can see, we can't remove or reposition this element. Alright guys, and that's how we can log item, elements, or text on a Canva design. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.